Well, Karl, let's start off though. Let's start off at the end of the season for once. Great way to finish, get promotion with Leeds, but also winning the championship. And how does that feel like?
Yeah, it was an incredible end to the season of what is a really long season. We had a great string of results at the end that got us over the line, and then, like I say, went down to the last day for who was going to win the title, and thankfully we got over the line in the last minute. And incredible day, and great way to finish our season.
And this has been quite a big season for you've made your international debut, really sort of settled into the squad. How have you found the last 9 months of the international camps?
It's been brilliant. It's been a brilliant experience for me. Like I say, it's been completely different to anything that I've experienced before. Coming into a group that was already a really good group and a really strong group, I just wanted to add to what we've already got here. And like I say, the way they've been with me and the professionalism in terms of how the coaching staff is, and day in, day out what we do, and intensity of work that we do, I've really enjoyed it. And it's something that I'm really glad that I've signed up to.
Got the family link as well. Your grandfather Ken, represented Cymru in the 1958 World Cup, 13 caps as well. So for that side of the family, it must have been a really proud moment. Have they been to any games? Have you been speaking to them?
Yeah. Parents have been down. The home ones only at the moment. I think my brother's planning on flying out to Belgium. They're massively proud, and it's something that I'm massively proud of as well. So obviously following the footsteps of what he'd done, and then hopefully we can achieve a World Cup with qualification, and again do what he did many years ago.
And you're on camp, this week out in Spain. Yourself, Ethan, Joe, and Dan. You've gone straight in from that sort of championship run, but it shows how much you want to be here and how serious you're taking these 2 upcoming games as well then.
Yeah, we have to. I think the way that the qualification works, that these 2 games in the summer are hugely important. I know we've got Liechtenstein and then Belgium, obviously, which are big games for us, and we want to maximise the amount of points that we can get from them games. And like the manager says, we just go on to the next one. So Liechtenstein at home is our most important game at the minute, and that's got our full focus.
And on that Liechtenstein game, you played against Kazakhstan recently in front of a sellout crowd. And what did it feel like playing against that and sort of having that noise behind you?
Yeah, it's brilliant. We played some football in that game, and to start our campaign off with 3 points at home in front of your own fans was a brilliant way to start. We obviously know there's a long way to go in qualification, and we hope we get the same sort of backing against Liechtenstein in the next one.
And finally then, in terms of, it's a long road to go still, but what would it mean for you to represent Cymru at the World Cup next year? Yeah,
it would mean everything. I think as a player, that's a dream to go to any World Cup. I know a lot of lads have done it here before, and they spoke about their experiences and how incredible it was for them at that time to go there and experience what they did. And it's something that I want to look back on in my career and say that I've been to a World Cup. So it's a big target for myself and obviously the group.